Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I am here, a PhD scholar. I am going to present a topic: ecological importance of bacteria. What are bacteria? You can see here in diagram. Bacteria are tiny single-celled microbes that help all life exist. What are bacteria? They are unicellular microorganisms which may have cell wall but lack organelles and an organized nucleus. Bacteria are member of the kingdom Monera. They are only prokaryotic kingdom. Some of them also have an autotrophic mode of nutrition, and some form like nostrae contain chlorophyll. Autotrophic means they can prepare their own food. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel firstly. You can see here the logo of our channel, Botany with YouTube. Are bacteria plants or animals? Scientists does not satisfied about the classification of bacteria. Is they are heterotrophic or autotrophic. They may be included in kingdom Monera. They are not plant or not animals. Importance of bacteria. There are some beneficial effects. For example, bacteria as producers. They are photosynthetic. Some type of bacteria are chemosynthetic. Bacteria as decomposers. Some bacteria are decomposers. They have ability to decompose the organic matter or decompose the any organism. Role in agriculture, role in industry, and role in bioremediation. Bioremediation means bio mean living and remediation means to cure, to remedy, to prevent, to stop the pollution or to stop the spread of pollution or harmful factors. For example, bacteria will be used for the remediation process. Harmful effects. They play an important role in food spoilage. They also play an important role in reduction of soil fertility and role in disease. Bacteria as producers. Producers are organisms that make their own food. Bacteria are the producers in many ecosystems as well. Producers make food for the entire ecosystem, supporting animals that eat plants or herbivores, which in turn support carnivores. Without producers, there would be no life on earth. There are bacteria that do photosynthesis using carbon dioxide, sunlight, like plants. Food chain, you can see here. The first one are producers, then primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers, and bacteria are decomposers. Photosynthetic bacteria. Photosynthetic bacteria use light energy from the sun to make food like plant. However, bacteria are much simple than plant. They are only single celled and have no compartment inside their cell to do specific job like plant do. Plant use a compound called chlorophyll to make food from sunlight. Purple photosynthetic bacteria have a related compound called bacteriochlorophyll that allow them to absorb light. You can see here in diagram. Other bacteria like cyanobacteria use a similar compound to chlorophyll called phycocyanin to produce food. Chemosynthetic bacteria. Chemosynthetic bacteria use chemicals from the earth to make food, not sunlight. These bacteria are famous for providing food for deep sea ecosystem. At the very bottom of the ocean there is no sunlight, so photosynthetic producers cannot survive. Then the chemosynthetic bacteria have ability to produce the food. Chemosynthetic bacteria like mesophilic sulfur bacteria, they use sulfur from black smoker to produce food for the entire ecosystem. You can see here in diagram. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel, share our videos with your other friends, colleagues and other researchers. Role in agriculture. You can see here how the disease of bacteria spread in plants and damage the plants and fruits as well. Decay and decomposition. Soil bacteria play an important role in bringing about decomposition of organic matter. They serve a double purpose. In the first instance, they act as a scavengers, removing harmful waste from the earth. Secondly, they return it to the soil as plant food. The dead bodies and waste of organisms, both plant and animals, are decomposed by the activities of saprophytic bacteria. Soil fertility. Some bacteria play an important role in maintaining and other activities in soil or increasing the soil fertility. Azotobacter and some other bacteria are present in the soil. They help in nitrogen fixation. Some species of rhizobium bacteria are present in the root nodules of leguminous plants. They increase the nitrogen content of the soil by fixing up atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. This process is known as symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Several cyanobacteria also help in nitrogen fixation, for example, Nostoc, Anabaena, etc. Role in nitrogen cycling. Role of bacteria in nitrogen cycling, for example, nitrification as one of the most critical steps in the nitrogen cycle and being performed by nitrifying bacteria. Nitrifying bacteria that includes Nitrosomonas, Nitrococcus, Nitrobacter, Nitrobacillus, etc. These bacteria get their energy by the oxidation of inorganic nitrogen compounds. The denitrifying bacteria like Pseudomonas or some other bacteria, for example, Thiobacillus, transform the nitrates to free atmospheric nitrogen. You can see here in diagram nitrogen cycle, how bacteria perform the nitrification, denitrification, assimilation process and ammonification process. Role in industry. Bacteria play an important role in dairy industry. For example, lactic acid bacteria play an important role in fermentation process in the dairy industry. Some lactic acid bacteria such as Streptococcus lactis and Lactococcus lactis etc. are used to produce butter, cheese, curd, etc. These bacteria make fermentation the lactose in the milk to produce lactic acid which help in curd or texture formation during the cheese production. In vinegar industry, acetic acid bacteria are used in the vinegar industry for the production of certain foods and vinegar. They can produce acetic acid during oxidative fermentation by performing oxidation reaction producing vinegar as a bioproduct. For curing of tea and tobacco, tea and tobacco are cured to give particular taste, flavor or smell by using bacteria Bacillus megatherium, Micrococcus, which are used in curing and fermentation of tea and tobacco leaves for commercial purposes. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Like our channel, like our videos. If you have any question, you can ask us in comment section and you can share your point of views with us. Role in medical field. You can see here in diagram the medicines. Some bacteria have been exploited to produce antibiotics. Antibiotics like streptomycin and some other medicines you can see here in picture. Bacteria are also used in the manufacture of vaccines. These vaccines are used against infection disease such as whooping cough, diarrhea, typhoid, fever, cholera, etc. Bioremediation. Bacteria can be used to remove pollutants from contaminated water, soil, and subsurface materials. During the mega-borne oil spill, for example, 100 pounds of bacteria were sprayed over an acre of soil oil slick to break down the hydrocarbons present into more began byproducts. Harmful activities of bacteria, spoilage of foodstuff, Cooked food and fruits, vegetable, butter, fish and meat are spoiled by bacteria, particularly during summer months by causing plant disease. Several plant diseases are induced by bacteria. They cause leaf spot, soft rot, vascular diseases, bacterial galls. You can see here in diagram wilt, crown gall, necrotic blight, leaf spot, root of carrot or carrot root will be rot, black rot of potato. Animal disease and human disease caused by bacteria. Animal disease, for example, bacteria cause very harmful disease in cattle, chicken, horses, sheep, goats. Human diseases, many serious diseases are caused by bacteria in humans as well. Some of these are cholera, reduction of some soil fertility. Some bacteria are used for the reduction of soil fertility. Reduction of soil fertility, denitrification. The bacteria who have ability to denitrifying the nitrogen, they will destroy the nature or structure of soil. Certain species of anaerobic bacteria inhabit soil that are either waterlogged or have high organic matter content. These bacteria reduce soil fertility by depleting the soil nitrogen content. They break down the nitrate present in the soil and release free nitrogen which escape into the air, thereby reducing soil fertility. If you have any question, you can ask us in comment section and you can share your point of view with us in comment section. Thanks for your concentration, for your attention. Thanks to visit our channel. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.